Today I got myself a special present from Sony. Well, it's a present from my wife actually. It is the GMaster 70-200 GM2 lens. I'm really looking forward to unbox this. The GM2 lens unboxing. Let's see what's in this box, shall we? See? Some regular paperwork. Side. It's inside. More paperwork. Let's get in there. So excited. Let's see. It's on strap. So it's officially here. I love this case. The carry bag is really high quality actually. Came with a strap as well. Quite cool. Okay, let's put that aside for a second. Let's look at the lens. There you go. That's the GM2 lens, the new one. 70-200. Let's get it. Strap the lens on my A7 IV. I currently have the Tamaron 200, the 28-200 lens. I really love this lens. This is a very versatile, very nice lens for the price. But I am replacing this with this. The 70-200 Sony GMaster. Let's do it. There you go. That is how it looks. Let's power it on. This feels really well built. Very solidly built. Loving it. Do you want to see a full review? Do you want to see comparison shots? Do you want me to compare the Sony lens and put it across the cheaper 28-200 Tamaron lens? Comment, subscribe to my channel please. Yeah. So for comparison, just putting it side by side, there is no comparison. Look at the size difference. This thing weighs over 1 kilo. This thing weighs nothing in comparison. But I'm really waiting for the results on this. I'll do a full compare if you like.